Huawei may be preparing another big shift in its smartphone lineup, and this time it could affect the upcoming Pura 90 series. After the launch of the Mate 80 lineup, Huawei introduced a new Pro Max model and quietly stepped away from the familiar Pro version. This move has raised an important question. Will Huawei do the same thing with the Pura 90 series? With the Mate 80 phones, Huawei clearly changed its naming strategy. Instead of continuing with the Pro model, the company added a Pro Max variant. At first, it was not clear whether this was part of a long-term plan or simply an experiment. Some people even wondered if Huawei was taking inspiration from other brands that have made bold naming changes. One comparison often mentioned is Xiaomi, which skipped an entire generation and jumped straight to the 17 series, closely matching Apple's iPhone 17 naming style. In Huawei's case, the switch from Pro Plus to Pro Max seems to have worked extremely well. The Mate 80 Pro Max quickly became the standout device of the entire lineup. Demand was so high that the phone reportedly sold out within seconds during its first sale. Because of this, Huawei had to extend the shipment timeline to handle the overwhelming demand. That kind of success naturally makes people wonder if Huawei plans to repeat the formula. Now, attention is shifting to the Pura 90 series. Many are asking whether Huawei will drop the Pro model here as well and replace it with a Pro Max version. According to a Weibo tipster known as Gojing, Huawei may indeed be heading in that direction. The tipster claims that Huawei will launch 4 models in the Pura 90 lineup. These would include the standard Pura 90, the Pura 90 Pro, the Pura 90 Pro Max, and an Ultra version. If this information is accurate, it would confirm that the Prof branding is being phased out, at least for Huawei's premium phones. The same tipster also shared some early details about the displays. The Pura 90 Pro Max is said to feature a screen similar to the Mate 80 Pro Max, while the Ultra model could use the RS Ultimate design display. On top of that, the entire Pura 90 lineup for 2026 may support screen brightness levels of up to 8,000 nits, which would be extremely impressive. Switching from a Pro model to a Pro Max model is not a bad idea at all. In fact, the Mate 80 Pro Max showed that the name was more than just marketing. Huawei did not simply rename the phone. The company also upgraded the internal hardware, making it a true flagship with top-tier performance, battery life, and display quality. Because of that, the Pro Max name actually made sense. It clearly signaled that this phone was bigger, stronger, and more advanced than the regular Pro model. If Huawei applies the same strategy to the Pura 90 lineup, it could make the lineup easier to understand for buyers. The Pura series has always focused heavily on design and camera innovation. Introducing a Pro Max version could allow Huawei to push those features even further, without confusing users with too many overlapping models. A clear step from Pro to Pro Max to Ultra could be a cleaner and more appealing structure. That said, it is important to remember that none of this is officially confirmed yet. Huawei has not made any announcements about the Pura 90 series, or its naming structure. Everything we know so far comes from leaks and tips, which can change as launch plans evolve. Still, given the strong success of the Mate 80 Pro Max, it would not be surprising if Huawei decided to repeat the approach. The market response has clearly shown that people are interested in a true Max experience, especially when it comes with real hardware upgrades. For now, all we can do is wait for more information to surface. If Huawei does bring a Pura 90 Pro Max, it could mark the end of the Pro era for good. Whether that is a good or bad thing will depend on how well Huawei executes the idea. What do you think about Huawei adding more Pro Max phones and dropping the Pro name? The discussion is only just getting started.